Hello, my Myntra beauty fam. Today I am here with my best friend, my sister Shrishti, and on the occasion of Friendship's Day, I am gonna do her makeup this time. So downturned eyebrows and hooded eyelids can be complicated to do makeup on, but as you can see, you can achieve a very flawless everyday look very easily. And yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Both of us have already made the Myntra Beauty switch. When are you making that switch? See you in the next one.